Pros and cons of granite bathroom countertops. Bathroom countertops are available in more shapes and materials than ever before. Modern cutting and fabrication techniques mean that anything is possible, in any size. Granite, the dense rock produced by ancient volcanoes, has become one of the preferred substances for countertops. Granite can be cut in any dimension and stained in nearly any color. There are a million advantages to granite countertops. They are strong, solid, reliable, and they don't mind getting wet. Since they are completely natural, their environmental impact is limited, especially if you choose a quarry near the construction site. They can be tinted in nearly any color, and when they're sealed they are essentially impervious to damage. Granite is available in tile, or slabs. Tile is small and modular and can be adapted to nearly any surface. For larger bathrooms and upscale homes, granite can be purchased in single slabs. The only limits to the slab are the size of the room and the ability to install it. Unfortunately, there are some drawbacks. The main one is simple size and mass. Granite countertops are extremely heavy, especially if a single slab is used. This means that transportation costs can be expensive, especially if there are no granite quarries nearby. Once the granite has arrived on site, it can be a challenge to get into position. Even a simple staircase can present large difficulties for a slab countertop. Granite tile is every bit as heavy, but nowhere near as unwieldy. Tile can be installed in small bathrooms or second-story rooms without difficulty. However, tile requires extra time and effort to install. The floor must be strong enough to hold the countertop, and the cabinet that it sits on as well. Granite must be sealed, or it will retain moisture. Therefore, regular maintenance to the sealant is essential. When considering granite countertops for your home, it is vital to plan ahead and make sure you have the right tools and skill set to mitigate any potential risk for a do-it-yourself install. If you are unsure of your ability to correctly install or seal your new granite countertops, consider hiring a qualified professional home remodeling contractor. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.